This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to build Toyota FJ Cruiser, full guide. Begin by gathering safety gear and essential parts, then clear and organize your workspace, sort tools by task, and review wiring diagrams carefully. Start with the chassis assembly, torque bolts to spec, install suspension components, and align steering linkages. Follow measured steps for engine mounting, connect fuel lines securely, and double-check fasteners before first startup. Now we focus on electrical and drivetrain systems with clear, practical steps you can follow at home. Label harnesses, test circuits with a multimeter, and protect connections with heat shrink and dielectric grease. Install transmission mount carefully, torque to factory specifications, and bleed clutch or hydraulic lines properly. Route exhaust and heat shields, check for clearance, and verify fluid levels. Run a stepwise systems check before initial engines start to catch issues early. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more full builds and helpful tips. On another note, the product seen here makes shop life easier. Try leak-proof meal prep containers for organized parts storage and spill-free lunches. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and share this video with fellow builders who will appreciate the tip. Now let's get back to the video. Next, we cover bodywork, interior fitment, and final adjustments to make your build road ready and reliable. Fit panels using proper fasteners, seal seams with automotive sealant, and align doors for even gaps. Install seats, harnesses, and dash components, route HVAC ducts correctly, and secure trim pieces. Finish with wheel alignment, tire pressure checks, and a full torque pass on critical fasteners to ensure safety and longevity. Document each step and take photos for maintenance records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.